want this for luck.
You're gonna pour salt.
For luck.
Boy. Okay.
I don't see how this is.
I don't see how
I
this
think it makes sense either.
Well, then why do you have? I guess it was
I was just thinking about that we could. I don't know how to use it. It just doesn't make
I
sense.
think you started already. You can do your clap thing.
Yes. Got to think of how to do it.
My neck hurts, you know. That was really good.
Yeah.
Wow, welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box.
Gosh. I love that.
You're really excited about that.
Well, I like the what the fuck.
Oh, okay. Well, I got Eric with me again.
We mean no offense with that, by the way. Right? Somebody was
true.
concerned
Yeah,
about that.
we
We
did.
mean no
That's
offense.
It's not
Frequently asked questions.
Yes.
I know how Drew says it. I giggle like a little child, but what the fuck?
Yes.
That didn't sound any better.
No.
All right.
Not at all.
Where we do what?
Open boxes. Show you what's inside.
So what do we have today, Drew? I like
We got the
stealing your
Phantom
role.
PP6 from TruAudio.
Yes.
We got two of them.
Yes. A pair.
A pair.
2 each.
2 eaches,
We've
one
done this
pairs.
before.
2 eaches and 1 pairs.
That makes me hungry.
Pairs
I
are good.
prefer apples.
Want to talk about the box?
Yes. Yes.
Very brown.
Contractor grade box, right? But does have all of the features on it.
Spins very well.
It spins very well. It's brown and recyclable.
Very good. Something I'll call out that I like. They do have the QR code to scan to get their app,
Oh,
which is kind of nice right there. Yeah. Which
I like
helps you-
that.
Gives you all the details on the speakers. I think that's a good call out. To Eric's point, again, I don't know if you guys will be able to see this. Andre will be mad because it's going to be blurry, but all the
Stop moving
stats
around
was,
it. You can't
so handsy.
can't do that.
All the dimensions and everything for the cutout dimensions, the depths, everything is back there on the box. So you could actually just have these on the truck and know exactly what you're dealing with without ever opening it up.
Yes.
But we do want to.
We are going to open it up.
do wanna
That's
open
right.
Secretly, we
Secret
already
of
cut
magic?
this box. You guys didn't know.
How come we don't do the magic stuff anymore? Like, what happened to you had some pain going on when we...
Yeah, listen,
And then
man.
all of a sudden...
It hurt. We did it one time.
Right.
It was a one-time thing.
Yeah.
It hurt
Right. Where did it
recovering.
hurt? What happened?
in my head.
Oh, man.
I have
we
to
don't
recover.
want that.
Have to recover.
Going slow. Slow process of
Slow
recovery.
down. Slow day on the show today. You like it?
Look at all that.
They're gonna see your bald spot epically. Epically.
Camera in the sky. Camera in the sky. I always forget about that.
Can't forget about that. Not when you're balding like us.
Your wife likes when we throw the boxes.
Yours does, mine does. Oh,
Whoa! Hey!
You guys can't tell, but somebody almost just died.
That's right. That's right.
That's
Yes.
dangerous.
Get rid of the box over here.
What do you got there?
Take your time. So we've got the, this is the cutout template. They've got a cutout template in here for the PP6, right? So put that up against the wall, draw a line around it, use your drywall saw around it, and then...
It's a nice noise.
Thank you.
Did you whistle too when you put it up? Wow, that's a nice whistle.
It's good, right?
was really
You know I can do this?
It's like a referee whistle.
That's right.
That's really good.
I was a lifeguard. Didn't need the whistle. Came with my own.
So easily entertained.
PP6, part of their Phantom lineup, right? So we've
Pivotable
done
or no?
TruAudio before. I'm going to... No. I don't think so. Yes!
Hey, got
Yes.
it right that time. There
Sorry,
it is.
Jimmy the Wookiee, who's not really a Wookiee. I should have known that right off the bat.
I wish you could make a Wookiee like walk across the
He's
table.
no longer Wookiee. He shaved his head.
No, he did not.
Yes, he did.
Shut
He
your mouth.
sure did. So we talked about TruAudio in the past. They've got a very broad lineup. They do electronics, they do speakers, they do subs, they do all kinds of stuff, right? But the nice thing about their product is they have something for every situation. Whether you've got tile floor, linoleum, or you've got carpet, they actually are set up to be specific to the acoustic style of the room. A lot of the lineup. Don't ask me where this one lies. Didn't check. Came in very unprepared today for some of those details.
Bezel-less, right?
Yes.
One of the better features with these, right? So they do have a nice clean look in the ceiling. You don't see the big, thick bezel on it. It is magnetic, which also is a nice touch point. These are humidity rated.
Really?
Yeah.
Stick them in the shower. I mean, not in the shower,
Not in
but
the
in the
shower.
bathroom, close to the shower. They'll be fine.
Bathroom, under lanai, right? They've got the humidity rating on them, which is great on those. Binding posts.
Yep.
I'm a big fan of the binding posts. I prefer those over the little alligator clips, you know, little
You can see we've done enough of these at this point. You can actually see some from the screws. They've got that really aggressive thread too, which that thread pattern allows it to screw in a little bit faster, so you save time on your installs.
I don't think anyone realizes how obnoxious it is when you're sitting in the ceiling screwed in for like 20 minutes. The aggressive, I don't know if Eric, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. You can tell their threading on their screw is substantially thicker than most threading. So that is a nice
one of the really dumb features that actually matters quite a bit if you're installing 12 pairs of these in the ceiling around the house.
Customer cares not, integrator and installer cares a lot.
Absolutely.
Right? Yep. So one of the other things I do like, they do offer an additional accessory. They have a square bezel that you can add onto these, which is nice. So if the customer doesn't like the round look and they want a square, or they want them in the wall or whatever, you can do a square bezel or a square grill on this as well.
They don't come with the speakers. Those have to be ordered separately?
Yep, separate add-on.
Okay.
No option with it.
TruAudio, what else are they known for? Customer service, right?
Yeah.
Those guys take great care of their customers. So if you ever do have any kind of an issue, you call right ahead. They do advanced replacements, lifetime warranty on their speakers. Great bulletproof product. Good company.
I was going to say they could talk to the Wookiee, but I guess he's no longer a Wookiee.
He's not a Wookiee, but we can set that up. As a matter of fact, why don't we just put Jimmy's cell phone number right here?
Can we put Jimmy's face on
Jimmy's cell phone?
Bald cat from, what is that, Austin
the angry
Powers?
Cat? Yes, I think we should.
His face on the Austin Powers cat.
Who do we have to thank for sending us the PP6s?
Jimmy and Chase.
Jimmy and Chase.
Thank you, boys. We love you guys on the show.
We love doing the show. We love showing the True product.
We're giving away 2 of these.
A pair.
One pair, 2 each.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, who gets it?
Whoever comments. Hopefully they also like and subscribe, but the comment is the thing that we drive off of.
Yes.
We need the comments.
That's right.
Eric needs it for his ego.
I need attention.
He loves attention.
Hey, what's this?
That's Eric.
Why is this here?
That's Eric as a clown.
This doesn't even look like me. I want to say, this doesn't even look like me. There's zero resemblance.
It's Eric as a clown eating a sub.
Why is he eating a sub?
You eat all the time. Why wouldn't he be eating a sub?
Fact. All right, we digress.
See you guys next time. Thank you for joining. I don't want to
no more. No. See you guys later.